Okay, here we are, poor man's Excalibur 2 mortar rack build update number 1. Ran into a little bit of trouble because, as you know, these Excalibur style tubes, and there's Assistant Alan. Hello, Assistant Alan. And we have Assistant Christian over there. Hello, Assistant Christian. Quiet today. They don't want to talk to the world. Okay, these Excalibur style tubes have this extra sleeve on it. So it gives you two different measurements when you're doing the boards on your mortar rack. So why not cut the base off the tube and knock the sleeve off like a whole lot of other people do? I've seen a lot of videos where people cut the base off with a hacksaw and knock the sleeve off. That's a plastic tube. These are HDPE tubes, probably 3 times stronger than that plastic tube. Now, if you have a malfunction in an HDPE tube, you end up with something like this. Pull that tube out for me, and then now pull the one next to it out so you can get that one out. Now pull the other one out for me. Thank you. This is what happens when an Excalibur shell explodes inside of an HDPE tube because, for whatever reason, your lift charge malfunctions, which is what happened here. Okay, see what we have. Hold that back a little bit so I can get. Okay, not nice, huh? So imagine with the plain plastic tube without that sleeve being on there, if the same thing would have happened. It would have turned the plastic into shrapnel. It would have turned the wood into shrapnel, and there would have been a very good possibility of somebody getting hurt. So that's why I am not cutting the base off and removing the safety sleeve. Safety first. Just my personal preference. I'm not trying to tell anybody else what to do. You can do what you want. But that's how I'm doing it. And that's update number 1. We'll be back with you a little bit further along the build a little bit later. Goodbye, Assistant Alan.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Assistant Christian.
Bye.
Bye, guys.